Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which you can find at makemoneyonline-niches.com. Today I am going to be showing you a product called Money Code. Now this product's brought to you by Shan Din, and he has created a training information product to help you to get free traffic, free leads, qualified buyers for services. So I'll go over the sales page first, then I will show you my bonus page and all of the bonuses I have available for you if you decide to pick up Money Code through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. Now, I also have access to the training area, the members dashboard, so I'll be able to take you over there later in the video and show you what is inside of Money Code. So let's go and have a quick look at the sales page first. Okay, so we are here on side of the sales page for Money Code, and it is a training information product that is going to show you how that you can actually close and get clients for business using these methods that he stumbled on. The product actually launched on September the 15th and today's the 16th, so this video was going out a little bit late, but all the bonuses are still available and I'll talk about them in on the next page. So basically you can get results quickly. It's 100% free, super qualified leads. You don't need a website and you'll be ahead of the competition. It's step-by-step video instruction tutorials, and there's basically a chance to meet up with the creator with a Zoom so that you can speed up your results. Even if you're new to this, then you're still welcome to get in on this. So this is Money Code. It is going through the launch period at a special offer price, and I do believe there is a discount on the offer page when you land on there and you decide to move off. There is a coupon code or a discount off. I think it's $3. Now this is Shan who created this product. He calls it Money Code, and it's basically an unlimited flow of leads because he's already got access to an information database where you can actually find the companies that you can then make contact with in order to sell services, knowing in front that they can actually afford the services that are being offered. So this is Money Code. Like I say, you can click through my bonus page and get to this sales page and then have a look and go through it yourself, find out a lot more about the product. But I will take you over to the members dashboard and show you a little bit more. So let's see, we'll go over to my bonus page now and have a look at some of the bonuses that you can pick up if you decide to go for Money Code through my link. So this is my bonus page, and we'll just have a quick look at what is the prices and the upsells. So basically you've got your front end of Money Code at $12.95, and if you're landing on the sales page and you move off, there's a coupon code or a discount that you can pick up for $3. So that will take your front end price down to $9.95. Then you've got your upsell 1, which is traffic mastery, which is $27. Then you've got upsell 2, which is the success accelerator, which is $37. Upsell 3, which is success mastery, which includes some coaching as well, $297. And upsell 4, which is multiple license rights, so you can actually then use that. You've got a resell, so the commission will be all yours then. So this is Money Code, and let's see, my bonuses are $200 a day on autopilot. So that's a training there on how to use your skills in affiliate marketing and make some pay. And then you've got bonus number 2, which is how to build a bonus page. It's a tutorial. And so bonus number 3, we have legally use other people's videos, which is a little hack that you can get into, and how you can quickly download and upload other people's videos and then attach your own affiliate links to those videos. Now, and bonus number 4 is a product which is called Stealthed, and this is how to reach other people's inboxes using this method called Stealthed. Now, basically what this is, it was a product that was created by John O. Armstrong about a couple of years ago in 2019, and what it is a way that you can use Google Ads in order to get your ads inside of people's email boxes. So if they're using Gmail, and you've obviously, if you use it, you've seen where you've got the first couple of messages that came into your inbox, they are ads. Well, this product is going to show you how you can get your ad inside of other people's inboxes, and that is Stealthed. You would also pick up all of the vendor bonuses when you go to click through my link. It would still be all available through the receipt with the Warrior Forum Plus, and all you need to do would be to click on the blue button on the receipt to be able to access all of the bonuses. Okay, so now what I want to do is take you over to the members dashboard for the money code. So this is the members dashboard for money code, and we have on this left hand side, we've got Shan Din, who is explaining the training. The first video is his welcome video, which he then explains to you how to go through the training in the product, and how he will be showing you step by step what you need to be doing. Obviously the video 1, how to get your clients in 24 hours, and he explains what you need to do there. Then you've got video number 2, the low hanging fruit, how you can go for the best options to get the best results for your clients. Then you've got out of the box positioning, and then this video here is basically showing you how you can use this secret source of traffic, which I can't really say too much about. And then there's picking up the bonuses, and then you've got the greatest lead source, which is, he explains how companies in the US have received government finance, and there is a whole database of these companies who have received government finance, obviously probably part of what's happened in the last couple of years with the COVID pandemic and things. And so with this database, he can actually then, you can access this. It's an online database, and you can use that as a basis for making contact with some of these companies. And basically then he's taking you through step by step what to do to capture information, your prospecting, closing the deals, the service model method, optimizing, and then you've got his support and his email there where you can contact him if you've got any questions or you need, you get stuck in anywhere. Then you've got the bonuses, and so these bonuses are all available from here. One of his products, which is called Send and Profit. Bonus 2 is a 30-minute exclusive Zoom session where you can jump on a Zoom session and talk to him, set up an appointment in the calendar, and you've got access to all of these tools and courses as well. So you've got joining Udemy, which is a training platform, product training platform, Udemy. Then you've got how to automate your business, a course which is Crush It with YouTube advertising. Then you've got how to create a website using WordPress, which is step by step. Then you've got learn how to create e-commerce website with WordPress. Then you've got sign up to build professional landing and sales pages. So these are all of the bonus products which are available inside of the training and members dashboard for the Money Code. So that is basically all about this review for today, and I'll see you on the next video. So bye for now.